Today is a special day because we are officially halfway through the challenge. The challenge was to do something involving music production every day for at least 15 minutes so we can retain as much of it as possible. And today we are halfway through a year. So just got to do everything we've done so far all over again, then we'll be done. Feels pretty cool to me. I'm pretty happy to be at the spot where we're at. And but it is just kind of a normal day where I'm just going to continue to work on the same things I'm working on previously. Yesterday, we were working on figuring out how to remake this one drop I've been hearing in this Muzz track, specifically these bass sounds. There's three things we have there. There's the initial wow sound, then there's the chugging bass underneath it, and then there's the I'm just calling it like kind of a vocal bass. Yesterday, this is how things sounded. The growler is really the only piece that even sounds close at all. The kind of chugging bass underneath doesn't sound very good, and then the vocal bass, it's in the same ballpark maybe, but it's still pretty far off from the actual sound. Here's what I have today. You know, we're still kind of far, but we're much closer. We're much closer. For both of these, I just kind of started over from scratch. For the vocal one, we actually have a lot more of the characteristics of what they've got going on, and just kind of a simple, there's a sub underneath, and then it's just this formant shifted square wave. I felt like really kind of gave me the sound I was looking for here, with kind of being on the fundamental, but having a high overtone partial really be accented there. The multi-band compression helps bring it kind of all out a little bit, and gives it that nice edge there. Really simple sound. Probably could make this one a little bit better. We also then have a chroma glow on it to accent some of its higher partials a little bit better, and then also have some Valhalla Supermassive delay on it to give it the kind of ringing characteristic that Muzz's has. So we're still pretty far off, but way closer than this one. That is not even, that's embarrassing that we put that in the video. And then our chugging bass yesterday, the biggest problem is this is a one single note that I then put a tremolo on with this LFO shape here to give us that. I think it loses some of the characteristic of the boom 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 when you're doing it with a tremolo instead of doing it with actual note articulations. So for the new one, we actually put in individual notes and then had each note fade out. And I think this one got a lot closer in sound. Again, it has kind of a sub here, and then the main note sound is this guy in the middle here, who's being FM'd by this third oscillator with its level set to 0, so you're not hearing this one at all. It's being oscillated very quickly. This is being automated by this envelope, which is tiny, so you don't even see this move at all, but that's how fast it's moving. And that's what's giving it that bitey edge to it. Then this envelope is automating the actual ADSR volume, and also it's moving the filter down. I messed around with the multiband. I don't really know what it is I'm looking at here exactly. I assume this is how much to compress the sound. I don't know what this top one is because you can move these independently. This is maybe a limiter. Well, this is yeah, I don't know what the bottom one is here. There's a little bit of distortion as well, which is honestly not doing that much. There's still something about his chuggy bass that I don't know what's going on. It sounded like it was kind of going through a dow shape, which is why I tried automating the FM as well as automating the filter instead of having it just be a volume drop off. It felt like there was actually a shape change that's happening there, but there's still something he's got going that I'm just completely missing. So, and overall, we're sounding better, and it really comes to life when you put some sort of lead with it. So yeah, we're starting to get somewhere with that one. We are slowly day by day, making some progress and learning a little bit there. So, yep, good experimentation today. Happy to be halfway through the project. Thank you all so much for all of you that have been here since the beginning. And yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks so much for watching.